Okay guys, introducing the WGIA Thermal Spotlight Bracket system for the 9-inch power beam. This is the version 3. So guys, we've been working on this for a long time. Anyone that spoke to me about 9-inch power beam, guys, I've always been a bit hesitant about giving advice on setting them up because of the shape and the weight of it. But now, with this design, I'll back it all the way, guys. Really happy with it. It's a very popular light in Australia. So I'm going to run you through the features and show you how to fit it and show you how light and weight is. And look at all the parts for it. So this is all the parts that come with the kit. This is all these little things we've done to get all the vibrations out and get the maximum strength so it can handle all your rough driving conditions like crop country, town cross crop country, heavy black country. It's all designed to get the maximum stability out of it. So I took Sam for a lap shooting in it the other night, and we went for a run. Sam's from over at Warren on for crop country, and you even said the same thing, mate, like how stable and easy it is to use now.
Yeah, no, it's very stable. Yeah.
So, you know, anyone that wants to set up like this, you can certainly fit it on any buggy or vehicle, as long as the roof's strong enough and you got your handle. It will work good on a normal handle. To get the ultimate setup, I'll run you through quickly as we go as well. We can supply you with a modified handle. So we'll give you a quick look at the features. It comes with your quick release plates, the 1.0 Hick Micro Falcon Lynx series, your universal, which suits basically all the thermals on the market now. Comes with base plates to suit all the handles on the market. So it'll come with a 10mm, which is your BLAZZA, or a 14mm, which is your POWABEAM, and it will fit as fire stick as well. Another big feature we've done, guys, to cater for, so with different shape thermals, so you go from a basic shape like the Condor, and then you've got one like the Finder. So they're very different in height. So in the kit comes with 2 different heighted top hats. So I've just got one here. So you can fit that part, which is high, it steps it up. Or if you want to run Condor, for example, with our quick release mount or a smart rest, one of these guys, you put the lower top hat on it, which brings it all down. So it's all designed so the thermal sits perfectly on top of the spotlight and it's all tucked in. And we've even designed our own base to get the light sitting in the perfect position and make it a very compact, low profile unit. So I'm just going to run you through, guys, how to fit it. So when you get your new 9-inch POWABEAM spotlight, get him out of the box like so. The first thing we're going to do is pull the reflector out, which is good for you to do anyway, so you learn how to do it in the paddock if you've got to change a bowl. The colour, and then the reflector drops out, flat base like so. And then you undo these bolts, guys. So we're going to use these plastic washers again, but we're taking this bracket off. We're going to put this, that's a look at the one we've designed. You can see the work that's gone into this, guys. So once you pull the reflector out, you can put it aside. And we simply pull the base plate off, put the plastic washers back in the same spot, and bolted our part on. So I just did it up finger tight for now. Now the next step you've got to do is you've got to put this guy back on. So before we put that on, I actually just undone the 4 Allen key bolts on the side and just took it off, just so you can easily get at the bolts going in there. And then the biggest thing is that the bracket sits firmly and evenly over the top of the light so it can't get any movement, and that's the idea of the springs too. So that plays a major part in getting this all to work to its potential, is that you get the bracket fitted to the light properly. Otherwise you can get vibration in the bracket and then your screen can wobble. So we simply put our DC converter wire through the square rectangle hole. While we're at it, guys, this weighs nothing. It's made of aluminium now. We've just gotten better as we've evolved over the years. Worked out all the problems and worked your way through them. Put the wire through. The next step is to get the bracket on nice and firm. Get your light down so, clip your springs on. And then you can adjust this part backwards and forwards in the light. so you can get it in the right spot so that everything lines up the way you want it to. Okay, so we've got the bracket on, we've got the springs clipped on. When I grab the springs, I usually grab it there, guys. It's the easiest way to handle them without wearing the rubber out. We've got the bracket sitting uniform around the light. Doesn't rub the paint off, guys, because there's no movement. Put the screws back in, everything's loose at the moment. Basically, you sit on the table, you want the front of the bracket parallel with the front of the light. You want that bracket parallel with the part of the light. You want everything in position properly, and now simply just do up your 2 bolts to the light and nip these 2 bolts up and the system's done. Little trick, when you want to get the spanner on that bolt to do this bolt up in here, simply just put an Allen key, 3mm Allen key in there, guys, and just turn that, loosen that plate off a little bit so you can gently move it across and you can get a spanner in there. Righto, so we've got the bracket fitted on the light. As you can see, there's absolutely no movement in any of it whatsoever. It's extremely light. There's got everything in it you could ever need. So I'll quickly show you how we wire it up. How we wire them up, guys, with our top of the range setup. So we've got our custom wiring harness. We simply plug our wires through the hole here, like so. The 2 wires that come from the DC converter in the bracket system, poke them through as well. And then we've got 2 wires that run the DC converter, which power your thermal. And the other 2 wires simply hook up to your spotlight reflector. And then you'll have this outcome. And I'll show you how it bolts onto the roof of the vehicle. So we've got one set up on this silver Land Cruiser Ute. You just go to the passenger side, cameraman. And when you fit it, you bolt this plate on to your handle. This is a modified BLAZZA handle on this vehicle with our WGIA Deutsch plate bracing plate. You start hunting, you turn your thermal on your lap. This system benefits are you don't have theft, you can run the system on multiple vehicles. You want to change bulbs, you can do it on your lap, you don't have to do it on the roof of the car. Or daytime hunting or just general use, you can just take it off the roof. Alright, do your wing bolts up, make sure they're facing up, they're spring loaded as you were showing our videos. Plug our light in. And we'll come around the driver's side, cameraman. We'll give them a quick look at our roof console. Bit of gear here, guys, but we're heat at the moment, so this is a WGiA roof console system. We sell these. Turn your isolator switch on. That's powering your thermal now, and then you got your spotlights separately. Extremely nimble, low profile unit. Rightio, guys, so that's a quick look at the 9-inch POWABEAM V3 Thermal Bracket kit. You can check it out on our website or our local stockist. You can also get in touch with us whenever you want, guys, if you want any information or feedback on any sort of roof mount setup or thermal. And as things are moving forward, guys, we will have all our kits on the website, all our roof console systems that incorporate with electronic dog clips, all your roof bracing, fully plug and play, ready to go. So as things are moving forward, guys, we're getting a better reliable products out to you that are all fitted and ready to go. So you have a look on the website, guys, or give us a call anytime. Thank you.